Now that we've gone over how to find the rate of change in a non-proportional relationship, we're going to use that information to write an equation in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So here I have a graph. Let's find the rate of change. M equals rise over run. Now this is going to be a positive slope because this line is going up. I can identify my friendly points. I'm going to use the point right here and the point right here. So let's rise. Let's go along the y-axis. 1, 2. My run would be going along the x-axis. 1. So my m equals 2. Now, let's find out where that line intersects the y-axis. The line intersects the y-axis right here, 0, 1. So that means my y-intercept, or my b, equals 1. Now, let's go ahead and plug this into an equation. Y equals mx plus b is the equation. My m, or my slope, is 2. My b is 1. So my equation is y equals 2x plus 1.